Yes, Shopify is dead. If you're watching this video right now, just leave. No, I'm just kidding. Don't leave yet, right? Shopify is not dead. If you're watching this video right now, I'm going to actually show you 5 steps on how you can get started in drop shipping through Shopify with no money down. Now, a lot of people are saying Shopify is dead just because they don't have the secret strategy to generating consistent sales. Now, if you dive into this video, I'm going to actually show you guys how you can start making money drop shipping through Shopify. Everybody, Godwin Nwokocha here. So today I want to be talking to you guys about the before I actually talk to you guys about that, if you're watching this video right now, make sure to hit the subscribe button to follow me for free information that I give out on a daily basis. Make sure to follow our eCom DropShipping University page as well. We give out tons and tons and tons of valuable information, free information that a lot of these gurus out here do not give you guys. And they're really supposed to be giving it out, but oh well, who cares? So what we're going to actually be talking about today is that a lot of people are talking about Shopify dropshipping is dead. I'm going to tell you guys this, okay? Slow it down, everybody. Shopify dropshipping is not dead. Matter of fact, eCommerce, period, is not dead, right? And it will never die. The reason why Shopify dropshipping or eCommerce in general is not going to be over is because a lot of consumers are buying products through their mobile devices, their laptop, online in general, right? Just imagine right now, right? Just imagine, where do you shop the most? Is it online? Is it in the stores? I shop a lot online. The reason why is because I see things online that the stores, don't sell, don't have, right? So, no, e-commerce is not dead. Now, I'm actually going to talk to you guys about how you can actually start getting involved into Shopify dropshipping, showing you how me and Chris took a store from doing $200-$300 a day to doing $4,000 or $5,000 a day, right? And it's crazy. It didn't just happen overnight. It took some consistency. It took a lot of trials and tribulations. It took a lot of, just things, sacrifice, right? Because some days we didn't go to sleep till 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Wake right back up at 9, 10 o'clock in the morning and get to it. So it really takes a lot of consistency for you guys to actually start seeing results, right? But it is possible because you got to be focused, right? And I'm telling you guys this before I actually dive into, what I want to talk to you guys about, because I want to be able to prepare your mind to start making money online, right? I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of information on a consistently basis, so tune in. Let's go. So the first thing first is that you want to find hot selling products. Now, you guys are probably asking, Godwin, how in the world do you find hot selling products? There's multiple ways. I'm going to give you guys one of the strategies that me and Chris actually use, that I actually use in our e-commerce store, for eBay, for Shopify, for my Shopify store in general. I'm going to tell you, the number one tool that you can start using and to do research on this right now is a spy tool. Now, what does a spy tool do? It shows you what people are engaging on the most. It shows you what it just shows you the comment. It shows you the product. It shows you the video or the image of that campaign that that other e-commerce store owner is actually using to get your attention, right? Well, really, he's not getting your attention because you're spying on him, but you know what I mean. But spy tools, it just shows you the product that's trending. It shows you what people are engaging the most. It shows you it just shows you everything that you need to know for you to actually find that product through a supplier and figure out how much you're buying a product for and how much you're going to resell it on your store, right? And start testing out campaigns. So now you're probably asking me, how do we find suppliers? I'm going to give you a list of them, right? And I'm going to actually type it down if you're watching this right now. Supply number one. Oh, I guess it just messed this up. Hold on, let me see. Okay, supply number one, we're going to say Alibaba. And I'm going to go through these in a little bit. Supplier number two, I'm going to say AliExpress, which I suggest when you're starting off, but I'm going to talk about that as well. Supply number three, Sellwho. Supply number four, DHgate. And now, don't get me wrong, guys. There's other suppliers out there that you can use for, say, if you're drop shipping from the U.S. One thing that me and Chris is actually practicing on right now is using supplies from Amazon and reselling it on our store. So I'm going to actually put another supplier on here. These are U.S.-based suppliers. Amazon. We can say Walmart. You can say, oh, I spelled Walmart wrong. You can say Target. So what I'm actually showing you guys is that you can actually drop ship from suppliers that's overseas that with a low price point, or you can drop ship in the US and actually position your business to get a higher profit margin. Now, you're probably asking, why would they buy from me if they can go to Amazon? Well, you got to think about it like this, right? Amazon is not doing a lot of marketing for all their sellers that's selling on Amazon, right? So what you're gonna actually do is you're gonna actually pick a product that's actually trending. You can either find it through AliExpress or Alibaba and get it to a fulfillment center, or use AliExpress with one of the PowerPoint I'm gonna actually show you guys here in a little bit, and actually get them drop shipped from China, which the time frame can actually vary from 7 to 10 to even actually 20 days for the customer to get their product. Now, we don't want to actually get a product to our customers in 7, 15, 20 days. It doesn't sound too professional. So what we're going to want to do is we really want to actually, if we have the capital, get the products to a fulfillment center with one of the overseas supplier and drop ship from there to your customer, right? Or what you can do is actually find a US-based supplier, right, which can be Amazon, Walmart, Target, sell who actually have a few US-based suppliers, or you can do some research and find them on your own, right? Get the supplier. Once your customer buys from your store, voila, ship it directly from the Amazon platform to your customer. Telling your customer you don't want to include an invoice or any receipt about that product. It's a gift, right? Those are strategies that me and Chris are doing right now for our Shopify store, and we're actually seeing crazy results, right? That we're going to post here very soon. So enough of that, find a hot selling product. The second thing is sign up for your Shopify account. Now, if you don't have your Shopify account, I mean, you should just leave this video right now. But you have the chance to actually sign up. We're going to have a link below, right? That's going to show you, for you guys to actually get started in your Shopify, business, right? And it's going to give you a 14-day free trial. So, voila. So the third thing is getting your Facebook page, your ad account, your pixels, your Google. I wasn't supposed to tell you that, but your Google plugins all set up. Now, every store that you build through Shopify, or any store that you build, or any business you build, I'm going to just tell you guys this right now. You need a separate Facebook page, right? You need a separate Facebook page because you're only promoting for that particular business to those particular people in that page or in that group, right? So you need a particular Facebook page, you need your own ad account, and you need your own pixels for your for that business you're promoting. Now, we do have a free training that we're going to actually give you guys that is going to actually show you how to get all this stuff set up, right? For free, right? Literally for free. But next thing is Google plugins. I don't like to. I should have never brought this up because this is something that you guys are going to hear me say a lot. Google AdWords, Google plugins. I call it Google plugins. I don't know why, but it's really called Google AdWords. I usually set Google AdWords up for each one of my stores that I'm running. The reason why is I'm going to tell you guys this now. If anybody is looking for a particular product, where do they go the most? They go on Google. They search for the product. If you're running an ad for that particular product, boom, buy, sell, money, buy. So that's why I added that on there. We're going to be talking about that a little bit later. That goes too in depth with the Facebook marketing, Facebook ads, and stuff like that. Fourth thing we're going to be talking about is product upload and fulfillment. Now, I'm going to actually go through this real quick to you guys. Let me actually show you guys this. Oberlo is an app that is used in Shopify for you to actually find products through AliExpress and upload them on your Shopify store. And the good thing about Oberlo is I'm going to actually go through the features real fast. It's really easy to import dropship products from AliExpress. It fulfills the orders automatically, right? Once your customer buys, the money goes to your Stripe or your merchant account or your PayPal, right? Whichever preference you like. Once it goes into your account, then you can be able to use the funds to actually purchase the product. And once you purchase it through Orbalo, it's gonna once the tracking and everything gets updated from the supplier, it goes straight to your customer, right? So that's one that we use to use Orbalo. I do suggest everyone that's getting started into drop shipping or into Shopify drop shipping to actually use Orbalo. The next one is called Shopify. This is actually, to me, the best. It's $47 a month, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 47. It actually went up $47 a month. It does the same thing plus more, right? So let's actually get into that. 1 second. Okay. All right. So what it does is that, hold on. All right. Perfect. Okay. So it's one-click add to Shopify, easy product. It's a lot, right? It's just everything that you actually need. AliExpress order fulfillment. It fulfills the order. It edits the notes. If you have a virtual assistant, which we're going to be talking about this later, it actually automates your business. It scales it. It's good for AliExpress. This is the best part about it. You can use it for AliExpress, Alibaba. Import products from these platforms. DHgate, Walmart, Wish, Etsy, Costco, Overstock. All these beautiful suppliers that you can actually use in your business, but you can actually use it to import products from those platforms to Shopify, right? So these are the two that we use. Orbalo is free, and we just got to sell. I think we did. I don't know, but Orbalo is free. Yes, we did. But Orbalo is free. It's free in the App Store on Shopify, and then Dropify is $27 or $47 a month. So, next one, test campaigns. How much do you spend when you test campaigns? Okay, I'm going to be completely honest. I put $5 to $10 because if I'm looking for quick results, I'll put $5 to $10 and maybe even $15. Now, if I have time, right, which majority sometimes I do, I will start at a $2 to $3 a day budget and run it for at least 10 days just to get enough results. Probably 7 the max, but 10 really the max. On a 2 to 3 daily budget. The reason why I do that is because I'm testing multiple audiences, I'm testing multiple campaigns, different demographics, different behaviors on a $2 to $3 a day budget. And once I get my data at 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock midnight, that's when I like collecting my data. Once I get my data, then I'll be able to tell which ad is performing at the best peak, which one should I turn off, which one should I scale, and which one should I just run with it to my $1 million run, right? So those are what I do when it comes to testing campaigns. I stay on a $5 to $10 daily budget if I don't have time. If I do, I run multiple campaigns on a $2 to $3 daily budget. I start off with PPE ad or video views. Now, PPE means pay per engagement. You're basically telling Facebook that you want to see if people are engaging on this product that I listed on my Facebook page, or I'm running an ad on. You want to see if you can build an audience, right? Well, not build an audience, but you want to build an engagement. Engagement can mean likes, shares, comments, sales. Boom. That's all it is. I do the same with video views as well. The reason why I use video views, and a lot of people probably will disagree with this, but it actually works for me the most, is because when I'm running a video view ad, it's similar to a PPE ad just because people are engaging on it a lot and it's getting tons of views for a low cost per view. So I usually run both at the same time just to build up my pixel fire. But, that's just a strategy that I use, and we're going to be talking about that in depth. And once you start off with your PPE versus your video view ad, the next thing you do is go to a conversion ad, which can start from view content if you want to optimize for view content. It can be add to cart if you want to optimize for add to cart, or initiate checkout or purchases, right? And once you follow these steps and still our course, free course, then you're going to be able to start seeing sales and results, right? And at the end of the day, right, you want to make sure that if you're going to do this business, you want to make sure that you know that you're going to do this business. You're not doing this business to make the money. Because when you build a business, right, and you don't think about the money, you're building a foundation of something that's going to be there forever. And you're going to start seeing results forever, right? And you're actually building a skill set for yourself and your future, right? Because at the end of the day, a lot of people can't do this. And if you're watching this video right now, I know you can do this. But at the same time, you have to want to do this, right? And once you tell yourself that you're going to do this. You're going to see 6 figures this year. You're going to see 7 figures this year. Or you're going to see whatever your goal is, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whatever your goal is, whatever you want to see, you have to put your mind to it and actually get it. My name is Godwin Nwokocha here. See you guys in the bank. Peace.